Okay, let me just record it. Guys, can you see my screen? I guess so. Yeah. Reply me by one if you can see my screen and my face. Hello. Yeah, kindly reply me. Can you hear me out? Can you guys hear my voice? Okay. Okay, great. All right, let's start from the gold. Okay, so this is a gold chart I sent in TradingView today. All right, if you click my ideas in TradingView, and I just tell you guys that this is a potential 2618 trade. Gold has formed a double top. Okay, this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, double top, break the neckline, retrace to 618. So therefore, we can short. Plus, there is an inside bar breakout. Inside bar breaking down, then this implies that we can do a short, right? And typically when you do the 2618 trade, it's always good to set your stop loss above the previous high, okay? And this is 2 targets. And let's see how it works, right? You just click the play button, and you can see that right case is coming down, right? It's coming down, okay? And that's also we can see that the gold has trying to retest the 618 level today, right? Several pin bars here. You can see here quite a few of these, quite of some tests, right? The buyers is trying to, you know, getting the price up of 1336. However, it just cannot, you know, complete this task. And then after the gold has breaking this trend line, okay, and then the very, very strong down sell force comes in. Okay, so this is not surprised. We expect this move, right? So have you guys short the gold from 1,336? If you have short, please raise your hand, or you can just leave your message of 1, okay? Type 1, reply me by 1 if you have already short gold from 1,336. Great. Good to know that, right? So this is actually a very good example, okay, of showing that how to participate in the market before it moves, okay? Previously, we don't know that it will fall, right? We don't know that at this morning in Asia time, right, the gold is still, you know, trying to facing up, okay? But we participate our short. We are selling hard instead of selling low. Okay, we saw 2 double top and we saw 2618 trade, and we see this 618 holding the level very well. And this is 1 try. Okay, this is 1 try, and this is 2nd try. Okay, so 2 try rule. If you found that a level that the price test once and test another time, cannot fail to, you know, fail to break new high, fail to have a very, very big bullish candle above the level, it means that there could be a buyer failure, right? And this is a very perfect example of showing what is a buyer failure, right? So if you short one from 1,336, you already earn about 40 pips, $4. So what's next? Okay, let's go on to our higher time frame, say 4 hour. Okay, in 4-hour chart, we do see that this is a double top here. Okay, and the 618 rejection has been made, and what's next is we are going to use this as a correction move, right? So this is a correction wave. Okay, so normally after correction move, it actually will resume the previous major move, which is here. Right, so this is very, very much going to be happen, right? Going to happen here. So the gold has a sharp decrease from 1,345, which is actually the previous very important structure at here, at this level, which I identified in TradingView here, and I say that this is okay. This is a very, very important structure, and this is also a rally-based drop. Okay, a rally-based drop makes a top. Okay, rally-based drop makes a top, and it makes a double top and complete the 618. So the next move, most likely for the gold, is going down. All right, so don't buy the gold. All right, don't buy the gold until it actually completes this ABCD move to maybe 1,320 or 1,318. Okay. However, do take note that if we go to daily chart, we actually found that the gold is having some trouble. Okay, because the recent is a uptrend move, right? Very strong uptrend. Okay, pulls back, makes new high, no problem. Until here, still no problems. Okay, but and here not good. And here second try cannot break new high. And what? Guess what? If the gold break 1,324, it will actually turn the trend from up then to sideways. Okay, so this is sideways. But if the gold break 1,324, it actually will turn the trend into what trend? Okay, guys, can you give me an answer? What will happen if the gold break down 1,324? Yes, it will become a bearish trend. Okay, so it's so important for us to catch this 618 pullback short, right? Because the 618 pullback shows that the strength of this initial bearish move. Okay, because a bearish move starts and the rally you can consider as a fight or consider as a pullback, right? If the pullback ends at 0.618, it just shows that the previous one will or may continue. Okay, if the continue and successfully breaks 1,324, it will make the gold bearish move. A bearish trend will start. Okay, and it may just pull back and then continue to go down, right? And don't be surprised if the gold have a very, very deep correction all the way to 618, 1,277. Okay, that's very, very likely to happen. So I won't consider to buy the gold until it actually drops to this place. I will only consider to short as long as the gold cannot break new high. All right. Yes, it's very possible. Okay, so just be prepared. Be prepared. And if we are going to, okay, just think in this way, right? We know that a one wave up may correct 0.618. That's a very, very common scenario, right? If this do happen from now to 1277, that's a very, very profitable distance, right? So why not? Anyway, we are shorting from the 618, right? Since we already take a short, can we leave the short all the way to 1,277? Do you think that's possible, or do you think we should take profit when it hits some support, or you rather to reduce some positions and make maybe 1/3 or 1/4 of your positions just hold to 1,277 so that you can have a very, very nice profit? Do you agree? Yeah, I believe you do, right? If this do happen, I mean, we short from 1,336, right? That's very, very nice short, nice catch. So what we should do is we take some profit. I will suggest you guys to take some profit when it hits into supporting zone, okay? And short the pullback again to get involved in the next downtrend, right? So this is what I see from the gold. So 1,324 is very, very important, okay? That is a key. That is key. It actually will determine whether the gold will remain sideways or it will continue to fall. Any questions? Any questions? If no questions, okay, I will move on to the next. Okay, let's talk about euro. Okay, all right, so this is euro USD. Okay, and we found our inside bar in last week, and look at this inside bar. It actually works very well, right? Our spiking plus an inside bar breakdown, and actually this trade from this inside bar, you can easily earn about 90 pips, right? So what happened now is, okay, the euro is actually sideways. Okay, the upper resistance zone is about 1.23. The minimum or the minor support zone is about 1.216. Okay, and right now you can see here it's really sideways. Okay, sideways. There's a gap on Monday. Okay, there's a gap, right? And this gap was filled, and it goes back to the previous turning point here. So the euro is actually facing to a resistance again at 1.2273. Okay, and don't forget that if we measure the retracement, we use the Fibonacci level, we can see that, okay, the euro have a strong rejection at 1.2290. Okay, so this is a level that I'm waiting. Okay, if the euro can goes to this place, it's good for you to take a short, just like gold. Okay, just like gold. Okay, and don't forget there is a very strong inside bar here. Okay, this is strong inside bar. Okay, we have the mother bar and the subsequent inside bar. Okay, and the inside bar actually tells you that the market already make the direction. So right now it's actually pulling back. Right, it's pulling back to the inside bar. Okay, to this bar's closing. Okay, which is 1.2274. So this is a level that we should watch very closely for tonight. That if you want to take a short of euro. Okay, and there's also a small garlic pattern, if I'm not wrong, right? This is a small garlic pattern that actually will also indicate that the euro may have a short from 1.2270 to 1.2290. Of course, you just need to set your stop loss above 1.2310. Okay, set your stop loss here. If the euro goes there, okay, exit the trade first. That will make the euro too strong. Okay, we don't like this squeezing, all right, and while we are shorting. Okay, so this is for the euro. If the euro didn't hit our stop loss, just it's okay for you to take a short, and the target can be 1.2214 and 1.2160. All right, so this is two targeting price, at least minimum. Okay. Okay, time for sterling. Okay, sterling shoots up, and recently the sterling is in a strong bullish trend, and in weekly chart it actually looks like it's going to retest this level 1.40. Let me just see what exactly price is. Okay, it's 1.4012. Okay, so take note that sterling has a strong structure at 1.4012 to 1.4005, and goes into 1 hour chart, almost hit 1.4005, and right now there's a rally. We can see the rally. Okay, I don't know what happened in the fundamental news, I don't know, but it looks to me that it may become a retracement of the previous bearish move. So my strategy is don't buy here. Don't buy. If you want to buy, please buy the pullback at least to 1.3950. Okay, because here there's a structure breaking out here. If the first time come back, you can actually buy from here, but don't buy right now, although it is going up. Okay. Instead of buy, you can consider to take a short of sterling. Okay, because if you short right now, we have two reasons. One reason is this is a 0.76 retracement. Second reason is it may be forming a double top, a potential double top. Okay, why? Because this is a second rally that cannot break the new high. So if you short the sterling right now, okay, you just need to help yourself to set your stop loss above 1.4015. Okay, right now it's 1.3980. Okay, so you're actually risking about 35 pips. Okay, risking about 35 pips, so that it won't if the price cannot break the new high, it will fall down and you make money, and that the risk reward ratio is at least 1 to 2.24. Okay, 2 to 1. Okay, so of course right now it's 10:37. We still have another 23 minutes before this hour's candle closing. Okay, we can consider to wait for the closing because right now it's still ready. Okay, it's still a very, very strong bullish bar. We can wait for the price action first, or we can consider to build some small position to short, right? Just remember, set your stop loss at 1.4015. If the price goes up, we have to exit the trade. And your target is first is 1.3955, second is 1.3917, and lastly will be about 1.3890. Okay, so it's okay to try this short of the sterling, but based on the price action right now, it looks like still quite bullish. So my suggestion is we can wait for the closing price of this candle, then we decide. Okay, or you can wait for a pin bar to be formed. Okay, wait for a pin bar to be formed at this zone, and if you see a long pin, a long wick, and then you short and stop loss above the pin, that would be better. Okay, let some other people to be your soldier first, to test the market first, to see whether there's a lot of selling orders there, or to see the strength of the bullish or the buyers. Okay, if the buyers fail to break new high, we can then enter, right? Okay, move on to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is bearish because dollar yen has break this very important neckline here, which is 112. Okay, and the dollar yen has failed to break new high as well. Okay, 114 is become very strong resistance. Okay, so I'm thinking the dollar yen, if you go to my trading view ideas, you can see my dollar yen's analysis. Okay, I actually ask people to short dollar yen from 111.47, and right now it's running good. Okay, it's running good. Okay, and I think the dollar yen may go to 106.37. Okay, that will be a potential buying zone, but it's still far from here. Okay, 106. Why? Because that is a 618 level. Okay, that is a 618 level here, and also closing to the trend line support, like here. So there are still plenty room of downside. Okay, so dollar yen remain bearish. We want to sell the high. Sell the high. How to sell the high? If you look at it today, by using my strategy, that is the structure breaking out and retest, right? It is easily for you to sell at 111.110. Okay, this is a very nice structure breakdown, retest. Okay, goes down again, right? Goes down again, and then pulls back. If you use 618, you can see that it actually touched the very nice of the 0.618 level, 111.10, and also with the structure. So it's good for you to short dollar yen that level. Okay, and if you short today, you make about 65 pips. Okay, Canada yen. Okay, sure. Canada yen, I think is also okay to short. If you see my trading view ideas, okay, I actually published an idea of Canada yen last week, right? So yeah, you see, it still works and it's winning, right? We sell at 189 and right now is about 88.62, right? So just hold the short, hold the short, okay? Because it's a bearish move. Canada yen is bearish move with a consolidation, right? So once the consolidation finish, you just continue. Okay, so this is a trend continuation trade. Okay, so Canada yen remain bearish. Actually, all yen pairs are bearish. Look at Euro yen, right? Euro yen, we sell from 139.99. If you see my trade from TradingView, okay, there's a price, there's a pin bar inside bar here about 136.10, right? If you short from here there, actually this from this candle, right? Yeah, this pin, this inside bar is very good, right? It's really very good. Right now it's bouncing, it is bouncing, but no worries. It still creates a finisher double top and breaks a neckline. Okay, so right now the 135.60 becomes a huge resistance. If you can short the pullback, up to you. Okay, but we already sell at here. Okay, remember we already saw that here. So take some profit, right? Take some profit at the bottom, wait for the price to pull back, okay, start again, and you just make another money for 100 pips, okay, and then sell the pullback again and see whether the euro yen can break down, okay. If the euro yen can break down 135.20, that would be the best, okay. If the euro yen can break down 135.20, we will form a multiple top. Okay, sterling yen, same thing. Okay, sterling yen, it makes a double top. So sterling yen, short. Okay. Yeah, despite of the sterling yen is going up, but I think the yen will be the strongest pair in the next couple of weeks or months. Okay, so short sterling yen 154.76. Okay, this is a 2618 trade. Short here 154.76. Stop loss about 155.44. Okay. Because if you look at the yens, even the gold versus yen, you see here, the gold is weaker than yen. And previously the gold is so, because here's the logic. So normally when gold is up, okay, the dollar is weak, the DXY, right? The dollar yen will go down. Okay. Which means if gold goes up, the bond price will appreciate, the yen will appreciate, right? But right now you see, when the yen appreciate, the gold but is not appreciating. Gold is decreasing. It tells you what? It tells you that the gold price is too high, so gold will fall. Okay, so if the gold versus yen is coming down, that is something that we need to be really careful. Okay. Because the gold versus yen is likely to go to this 1,420. Okay, so the yen is strongest. Okay, for the recent few days. Okay, look at the Aussie yen. See, double top. Canada yen, right, already goes down, and Kiwi yen, yeah, Kiwi yen are sideways, but also in a very high place, and the Swiss yen, okay, sideways, but bearish engulfing kind of already occurred. Okay, so I think the yen is okay. Yeah, so short dollar yen. Okay, let me complete my Aussie. Okay, so Aussie dollar, what we have is 0. Just take note, 0.80 to 0.8039 is a very strong resistance level for Aussie. Okay, my view is if the Aussie cannot break 0.8040, just short. Okay, and right now, good news. Okay, the Aussie has already formed a double top. Right now, it's pulling back to the neckline. You can sell right now. Okay, Aussie dollar, you can sell right now because breakdown, pullback, the last pullback already succeed. Right now is another pullback, but still the week comes. Okay, so short Aussie right now. Understand? Do you want to take short? If you want, reply by 6. You can short Aussie right now and just stop loss above 0.8040. It's a simple short breaking the neckline retest, and you are looking for at least to 0.7090. Okay. Quick trade, yeah. Okay, let's see Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi dollar is still a little bit strong. Okay, for these days. All right, the break 0.7330. And today has a spike up and then formed a bearish engulfing candle. Right now is pulling back. Okay, so we go to 30 minutes chart, you can see that there is a bad pattern. Okay, so for the Kiwi dollar, the strategy will be a little bit different. You can still continue to sell from 0.7344 to 0.7348. Okay, for this bad pattern completion, you can assume that the Kiwi may fall. Okay. Okay, so this is a bad pattern for the Kiwi dollar in 30 minute charts. Okay, for the dollar Canadian. Okay, just remember, Canada has already increased the rate, but it is priced in. So that's why the dollar CAD has a strong sell off, but touched the 0.618, which is 1.2388. Okay, so for the dollar Canadian, just remember the strongest support comes in at 1.2388. Okay, you can actually consider to build up your long positions for the dollar CAD Canadian and aim for 1.29 or 1.31. Okay, I'm thinking the dollar Canadian will touch 1.32 at least. Okay, and because this 618 level holds very well, Okay, let's go to S&P. Okay, the S&P is also shooting up, retesting the Asia times high. Okay, so yeah, the chart looks pretty much of the sterling, right? Yeah, see the sterling has some wick, right? So short sterling, okay. But for the S&P, I'm thinking don't short right now because still very bullish, okay. Especially the S&P has overcome the 2,800, okay. You can consider to buy the low, okay, but don't sell because I don't see a stop. I don't see a rejection at this level yet. Although this is a very strong resistance, but looks like the price actually see how the buyers push the price, right? Yeah, it's still very strong today. But if you want to take a quick trade, I think it's okay, right? By just applying the harmonic patterns rules, right? But I rather wait for the SPX to you know to hand at 2,838. I don't like the price going above the 0.886 level. However, you can take a try. You can take a short, just a quick short, because it's really rallied too much, right? You can take a quick short. It's okay. It's 5 minute charts, intraday short, right? Win couple of maybe 10 pips or 20 pips. Just just get a profit and just take it. Okay, stop loss above the X point and use the harmonic patterns rules to give you a profit. Target 1 and target 2. Okay. Euro sterling, sure. WTI, okay. The oil, okay. The oil I'm thinking the oil is making tops, okay, because the uptrend has been finished, okay. You can see the uptrend is being finished. Okay, this is the trend line, okay. Straight top, okay, break the neckline, pulling back to the 618 as well. Okay, so I think we are okay to short oil. Aim for at least 63.52, and then you can look to 62.82. If breaking down 62.82, if this low is created, it will go to 61.56. Okay, right? You can short oil, stop loss above 64.87. That's possible. For Euro sterling, okay, very easy trade. Euro sterling, remember, just keep short. This weekly chart has already showed that Euro sterling has made a double top, a super big double top. Okay, 1 try, 2 try, failed to break 0.92, and right now the weekly chart, this is a trend continuation trade. Okay, it's a triangle, but it's trend continuation. The previous is a strong move down. Okay, so if this triangle is broken, it will just push the Euro sterling to 0.84. That actually tells us one thing. If you want to short euro or short the European currency, the euro, the sterling, or the Swiss franc, I would suggest to short euro. Okay, because sterling is stronger than euro, right? But you can consider to short euro sterling, right? Because it's in the weekly chart, in a very high location, the trend is going down in the trend continuation setups. You can short. Okay, of course you want to short the pullback. Okay, the best place will be 0.88. Okay, if the euro sterling pulls back to here, 0.88, you can short that. All right, take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, I noticed that a lot of people want to buy Bitcoin because it has a tremendous rally to 19,000. Remember last time when I talked in TradingView, I say we shouldn't buy high, we shouldn't chase the price, right? Right now, yeah, it comes, okay? From 19,600 to 9,000, almost, half, 50%, okay? But I'm thinking, yeah, it pretty much for the Bitcoin to complete this ABCD pattern if the data is correct. Okay, if the data is correct, because we noticed that there are a lot of different exchange. Okay, but I'm only thinking to to long a little bit Bitcoin when the price hits 8,700 to 7,900 above this zone. So if you really want to buy or invest in Bitcoin, yeah, use this zone for your reference. Okay, don't buy now because right now it's a bearish trend. Lower low, lower highs, breaking the neckline. Okay, breaking neckline. 13,000 becomes huge resistance level and is still going down. It may test 8,800. Okay, all right, that's all for today. I think we covered a lot of the markets, right? We talk about the euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi, Canada, dollar yen, sterling yen, euro yen. Okay, we covered the oil, gold, right? We covered S&P, we covered Bitcoins. Aussie dollar already told. Yeah, already said. You can go if you miss something, just go to the YouTube channel. Okay, search in the YouTube that you can just search for Projack, Projack, Projack. Okay, Projack. My channel is here. Okay, yeah, you can subscribe. Okay, 54 videos because normally every 1 week I will make a webinar if I'm free. I have time. Okay, it's all here. Project training classes. Right? Okay. So yeah, good. All right. And if you want to know how to trade like me, how to trade in a professional ways, how to read the chart, how to find these patterns or these profitable patterns. Okay, just browse my website. Okay, you can go to humbleasia.com. I will paste the link to the in my YouTube. Okay, it's also you can go to my trading view in my signature. You can go to any of the ideas that I made. Okay, go to any of the ideas that I made. Okay, my signature here is my contact information. Okay, you can have my course information. You can have my YouTube channel list. You can have my Facebook. You can have my QQ group. All right. Okay, cool. That's all for today. Have a nice trading week. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plan. All right, I see you guys soon. Talk to you next week. Yeah. Okay, goodbye. Yeah, just wait for the recording. I will upload it right now. See you.